In this short tutorial, we are gonna fix Epic Games not launching games problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying solutions. The video consists of a few small steps. The first thing we need to do is to clear the cache files of Epic Games and the game we have problem with. To do this, we go to search section and open run. After opening run, type %local app data % in the search bar and click OK. After doing this, we delete the Epic Games and Epic Games Launcher folders. We also delete the game folder here, if any. For example, if we are having problems with Fortnite, we need to delete the Fortnite game folder. Deleting these folders will not cause any damage to Epic Games or our game. Also, if you receive a folder in use notification, close Epic Games and try again. Sometimes, the cache files of games can also be in the documents folder. If you can't find the folder of the game you are having problems with in this folder, don't forget to check documents as well. The other thing we need to do is to set the game we have problem with to high performance. To do this, we go to search and type graphic settings. We click browse to add our game. Here, we need to find the Epic Games folder. In your case, this folder is probably in the program files x86 folder. After opening the Epic Games folder, open the folder of the game we have problem. I don't have problems with Fortnite, but I choose it to show it. We find the X file of our game. If there is a more than one X file with the same logo as in Fortnite, we need to add these files. We add our files. After doing this, we set the file or files we added as high performance. Our last step is to run Epic Games as admin. To do this, right-click on Epic Games and open Properties. Then click Compatibility from the top. After that, we click Run this program as an admin and click Apply. We completed the steps we need to do. Now we can check if the problem is solved or not. Also, if you are having problems with Fortnite or Fallout 3 specifically, there are videos I have already made about these games. I recommend you to watch these videos. You can access the videos from the cards or from the description section of this video. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.